audio reading for single rib stitch edge fingerless gloves. Skill level is a level 1 to 2, easy to intermediate. Yarn used, Premier yarn in green. Yards needed, 130. It is a wrap per inch is 12, making it a worsted weight yarn. That is a 4-ply. Finished size is medium, measuring 7.5 inches long. Stitches used are your knit and purl stitch. Cast on. Place the loom adjuster between pegs 10 and 23. Chain cast on 26 pegs, starting with peg 02 and moving to peg 23 all the way around to peg 10, ending on peg 01. For your finger opening, round 1 through 6, you will use your single rib stitch, which is knit 1, purl 1. Round 7 through 10, you will knit. At this point, cut your yarn 10 inches long, move the stitch from peg 01 to peg 10, the stitch from peg 02 to peg 23. For your thumb, 10 pegs are used to make the thumb. Move the loom adjuster between pegs 13 and 20. Take your second loom adjuster in the opposite direction and place between pegs 11 and 22. We are going to use a chain cast on starting with peg 02 of the outer wedge, moving to peg 20 to peg 13, ending with peg 01 of the outer wedge. Round 1 through 5, you will knit 1, purl 1. Round 6 and 7, you will knit. For the body of the glove, you will remove the loom adjuster between pegs 11 and 22. Round 18 through 27, you will knit. Your decrease for the wrist, remove the stitch from peg 13 and place on peg 01. Remove the stitch from peg 20 and place on peg 02. Move between pegs 12 and 21. The wedge is moved after each decrease. Round 28 and 29, you will knit. Then move the stitch from peg 12 to peg 01. Then move the stitch from peg 21 to peg 02. Round 30 and 31, you will knit. Move the stitch from peg 11 to peg 01 and move the stitch from peg 22 to peg 02. For your arm and cuff area, for rounds 32 to 51, you will knit. Round 52 to 56, you will knit 1, purl 1, and we will be using a super stretchy bind off. There's a QR code for the full video. Every link you can think of is in the video description below, with links to the loom, the PDF, the full video, everything you can think of. If you do have questions and comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I do hope that this was helpful.